Hi guys, Alpha Wolf here. Today's video is going to be another interesting one. I'll be teaching you step by step how you can create your Amazon KDP account from the comfort of your home in Nigeria or anywhere you find yourself in the world, right? KDP is one of the biggest and the fastest way people are making money on the internet. And basically what you do is you write books and you publish those books on Amazon website. You don't necessarily need to write the books. There are some books that can be low content books. There are ways we go about getting these books. There are some books that they're like books that have been written before. You recreate them, you publish these books, and you get paid crazy amount of dollars on Amazon. Now I will not be going in details explaining what KDP is about and how you can start and stuff, because the video is centered, is directly focused on how you can create your account on Amazon KDP. So if it is what you are looking for, let's head straight to today's video. Please, I really beg you guys, if you watch this video and you find it helpful, please make sure you comment. Like, if you're watching this video, comment on this video, like the video, share the video. It is going to help my algorithm to make people notice the video. It is going to help people see the video, and people that are having this kind of issue, they'll be able to solve it. Above all, YouTube will promote this video more so that other people will see the content. That is the least you guys can do for me. Anyway, if you want to open the official website of Amazon, you can start from google.com. just search for Amazon Kindle, right? Or you can go to kdp.amazon.com. I'm going to put a link in the description. When you open kdp.amazon.com, right, this is what you're going to see. This is the page you're going to see. What you're going to do is you're going to click on sign up. In this place, you will see something like sign in if you have an Amazon account, and if you don't have an Amazon account, click here to sign up. Personally, I have an Amazon account, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create an Amazon account easily. So you click on sign up. You click on sign up, you are going to see sign in with your Amazon account, and if you don't have an Amazon account, come to create your Amazon account. But I told you guys I have an Amazon account. That is why you can see that my email address and my password is already showing here. But let's say I don't have an Amazon account. I'm going to click on create your KDP account. That is what you should click on, create your KDP account. Now you're going to put your name. Let me put my first name, right? Once you fill this part, you're going to click on create your KDP account. We move to the next stage. There are other stages in this process, but I want you guys to follow me step by step. Now when you click on create your account, it will take you to the authentication stage, right? So you're going to solve a puzzle to protect your account. They want to be sure that you are not a robot, so please make sure you solve this puzzle. And most times the puzzle are always different. The puzzle might not be this. Sometimes the puzzle they give me might be totally different from what you see, but any puzzle you get, please do your best to solve it, and I'm going to teach you how to solve this puzzle. Let's allow the puzzle to load. Now I said we should solve the puzzle, solve puzzle. Now they say select the puzzle to protect your account, pick ice cream. Oh, obviously we know what ice cream is. This is ice cream, so I'm just going to pick this. Good. And the puzzle has been solved. Very easy. So your own might be pick ladybug, tell you to pick something else, or they'll tell you to do something entirely, right? Now they are going to send an OTP, a one-time password, to my email address. Right, good. Look at this. So I'm going to click this. This is the OTP, so I can just copy this. It's a one-time password, so you can only use it once. You click on verify. Now they verify the email address, and that is good to go. The next thing you need to do is you're going to have to put your phone number, right? Guys, some part of this video I'm going to blur, but however, let me just go ahead to fill this. You can choose your country. You can put Nigeria here, because they are going to send an OTP code to the number you're using to verify. Add mobile number. I've used this number before. I don't know if they will still allow it. Okay, good. They allowed the number, so they are going to send me an OTP code. So look at this. So they've told you this agreement change on the date listed below. See explanation, blah 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 blah. So you have to agree. Click on agree. Normally you're supposed to read everything, but people don't read terms and conditions. But basically, now we have agreed. You now say your account information is incomplete. To publish book, you will need to complete this. So you need to update. So I have to update my account. I have to update my account so that I can fill the complete information. If you get to this stage, yes, you have qualified, so you just need to update your account. I'm going to show you guys how to update your account, the verification process, and even how to insert your bank account details and everything. It is very important in this tutorial, right? So for me to update now, I have to put another OTP code. So I have to put my phone number, and insert my OTP. Nigeria, to send the OTP, right? Click on continue. These codes are very important so that somebody would not use your account, because everything that concerns your account, your money, everything is on this Amazon KDP, is on this Amazon KDP dashboard, right? So now you will see, to bring me to this page where you see my profile, getting paid, tax information, blah blah blah. So first thing first, which region do you live in? Enter the following information to help us determine how to send your payment. So the first thing I will select is, there is business type, individual, corporation. Please click on individual. Then date of birth, I might have to hide all this information. I don't want to reveal too personal stuff about myself. Okay, country or region, you have to put in your real country, please. Wherever you are in the world, you have to put in your country. Don't put a fake country or region. The place you are going to do some tweak, I'm going to show you. Forget to like my video, please don't forget to. Your legal name, you just put your legal name. Your legal name is your real name, the name in your documents. Alright, so I've put this information here. So they say tell us about your bank, getting paid. Please, at this point, don't go and put a Nigeria bank, because if you put Nigeria, you will not be able to receive your money. Let me show you guys something. If you click on Nigeria banks are not here. We currently do not support electronic payment to this country. Please select I don't have a bank account, but I'm going to show you the trick you are going to use. You're going to do two things. Number one, you're going to select United States. Now I'm going to show you how you get your bank account in United States that you can easily use, right? You're going to be getting your bank account from a platform called Payoneer. I'm going to show you how to get your bank details step by step, everything in this platform. But before then, you will need to go and check a video I have made on how to create your Payoneer account. For those of you that have Payoneer accounts, we'll continue with this process. For people that don't have Payoneer accounts, you need to come and check this video. I made a video on how to create your Payoneer account in Nigeria, so you need to check that video. If you come to my channel, please, when you reach here, subscribe first. Please subscribe. Then you just come to my videos. I'm going to put a link of that video in the description, but just want to show you guys where the video is. When you come to the link in the description, you scroll down, you're going to see this video. Look at it. Create a working Payoneer account fast, 2023 method, right? Create a working Payoneer account fast. This is the video. If you watch that video, you will see how you can set up your Payoneer account and verify your Payoneer account, because it is from Payoneer we'll be getting our bank account that we will be using, right? So for those of you that have your Payoneer account, let's continue with the process, right, so that we can quickly finish this. Alright, so if you have a Payoneer account and you sign into your Payoneer account, for you to get your account number, your account details, you're going to come to here, bank and cards. When you come to bank accounts, you will come to receiving accounts. When you come to receiving account, all the various accounts you have will show. Then you're going to scroll to the US dollar account, this particular one. You're going to click on it and click on view details. When you click on view details, the name of your bank, the routing, your account number, your account type, and every other information will display, and that is what we are going to copy and we are going to paste on Amazon KDP. So look at this, right? Let's go straight to it. Now this is what they need. They said they want to ask us the account holder name, right? So the account holder name should be exactly what is in your Payoneer account. Look at this, my Payoneer account. You can see my name here, Victor, right? The next information is your account number. So I have to copy my account number from Payoneer, copy it, then I'm gonna paste it here. Right, there are two types of account. We have the checking account and we have the savings account. My Payoneer US account is what? It is a checking account, so we are good to go. My account name is there. What else do they need again? Routing number. So I will come here to copy my routing number. This is it. Copy it and I'll paste it here. Very, very important, right? So they said I should re-enter my account number. I'm going to make sure the information I'm putting is very correct. Account number, copy. I advise you to copy and paste. Do not want to type them one. Copy and paste so that it will be exactly the same thing. And that is that. So I'm going to click on add, right? We'll click on add. You see, you now tell us you are set up to receive payment for sales across all Amazon marketplaces. Customer transaction made in all markets places across Amazon will be paid in US dollar according to the payment details below, right? They've all these ones are just moving forward. Then the last phase of this part is the tax information part. Say you have unsaved, so tax information interview about you. You are just going to come here and fill all these informations concerning yourself, because yes, every company in the United States, Clickbank, YouTube, Amazon, KDP, they are always taking tax from the earnings you make. So it is not a big deal. But if you get to this point, you have successfully created an Amazon Kindle publishing account. My internet is taking a long time to load, but you don't necessarily need to watch any other part of this video. You can fill all these ones yourself. Successfully, you have created a working Amazon Kindle publishing account. Please, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop other interesting content, you will not miss out. And if you want to create a PayPal account in Nigeria, you don't know how to create a PayPal account. I've made a video on that, on how you can create a working PayPal account in Nigeria, and that video has benefited a lot of people. You can do well to check that video. This is the video, how to create a PayPal account. Please make sure you leave a comment if you have any question whatsoever, so that I can help you out if you have any question. And if this thing works just right, successfully, it worked for me, a thank you, a like, a share is going to go a long way to make other people benefit from this video. So at this point, I'll tell you thank you for stopping by. What a beautiful time making a video with you guys. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video, where I drop another interesting content, which will definitely be tomorrow, because I drop video every day.